Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thanks for stopping by. If you're new here, today's video will be unboxing of Thrive Market. I have this huge box just got delivered. So if you want to see what I got from Thrive Market this month, please continue to watch this video. We'll get started very short. Recently there was a sale and I needed coconut sugar. I was running out, so I kind of got my sugar and I got some deals. Of course I couldn't miss them, and that's why it's ended up in this giant bag or box. I'm gonna leave the link below in case you're interested, you're new to the Thrive Market. It's basically a fancy pantry that you can just shop at your house, couch, whatever, and it has a lot of like a specialty items. So like if you have an allergy, if you have special diet, this is really a good place, and lots of organic stuff. I think I got a lot of like my everyday items, so I'm gonna show you what I usually buy from them. And they always have like a free item sales like almost every week, so you're gonna like it. Check the link. I think the first order has some like 40% off or something like that. If you're interested, just check it out. But I'm gonna show you what I got, and it's always nicely packaged. I always buy like pasta sauce jars, like a glass one. Never seen a broken one. But this time, let's see. Oh, I got a bunch of spices that was on sale. Look at that. Yeah, there was a spices on sale, and I don't buy spices at like club because I don't consume like huge amount. But this one is organic and everything. So let me show you quickly. Got a whole bunch of them. So got some cumin, curry. I always seen recipes that require curry powder, but I never try them because I was like, I need to buy curry, and I like keep forgetting. So got the curry. Same for this one. This one is like za'atar, and I've seen sometimes the recipe requires it, but yeah. So I got that. Just everyday deal. This looks like this. And this is kind of my staples. Onion powder. Oh, sorry, this is garlic. I'm looking this one and it says onion. So the package is 64 grams, so 2.24 ounce. If you're curious of size. Coriander. I have carrot salad recipe that requires coriander. So that's what I'm using that for. I'll leave the recipe here if you're curious. And then I think I bought a bunch of pasta that was on sale. It was this guy that was on sale, so that's a bio natural. And if you know, you know, this pasta is expensive when it's not on sale. And it says it's product of Italy right here. So I got fusilli. This one is full box because I know sometimes they put like a half, like 8 ounce. So this is like a regular, like if you would buy at the store, regular pasta. So it's a 16 ounce. So I got that. I think I got 2 of that kind. Maybe not. So I got fusilli, rigatoni. Semolina. Oh, semolina. This type. Cioli. Trying to sound Italian. So that was on sale. This was not on sale, but the price was as good as this guy on sale. So I got 2 of this fusilli, and this one you gotta buy a minimum of 2, so that's why I got 2. And my favorite is the farfalle. Notice it's too loud. So I got 2 of this. And more of the spices. This one is parsley. This guy were on sale, real salt and fine sea salt, and it has that little screwy thing. It's 26 ounce. I got more of this fusilli. And more of this. So I'm pretty stocked up on the pasta. Oh, and this one is the free item. So like you can select free item. It's like a kind of promotion. One week you get it, 1 week. I think almost when I shop, I always get a free item. Sometimes it's like just that specific free item. Sometimes you can choose. So I think this time I chose out of like whatever they had, it was this peanut butter cup, probiotic protein nunca pack. Sounds very interesting. Let me check it out. Oh, so it's like a bars. And there's 4 of them inside. Okay, and I think, ooh, I didn't know I got that one. So this is my favorite egg pasta. It looks like this. It's also from Buy Natural. I think all the Buy Natural product was on sale this week. It's 8.8 ounce or 250 grams. And it comes in this like a tray, so like you take this out and it comes in a tray. And I think the rest is just sugar because I was out of sugar. And the Thrive Market brand, usually the good products always like sold out, and sometimes it takes a while to restock. So I don't buy like 1 sugar. I bought 6. So this is what I put in my coffee in the morning, or like I don't drink tea with sugar, but sometimes recipe requires like a brown or some like a specific sugar type. So that's what I put. It's 16 ounce per bag. So I got so I got 6 of them, and that's all for the box. That's all. So let me know if you shop at Thrive Market, if you're interested after this video, want to try it out. Check the description below. There will be a link for, I think it's 40% for your first order, and a bunch of like they always throw some gifts as well. If you have questions, leave them in the comments as well, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.